this is where you go every day.
It opened last night. I got a lot of complaints. I think the fact that there are no walls upset people.
Well, it's going to be wonderful. I can tell.
I wanted you to be the first guest at our best table.
And I'm very honored. Oh, Alex, this is so romantic. The candles and the wine, the milk. And pizza. It's perfect.
Nope. Perfect would be if this was New York and if that was a Gray's Papaya hot dog.
What's a gray papaya?
Broadway and 72nd, 4 blocks from my apartment. The best hot dog in the world.
And if we were in Mexico, we would be eating... albondigas.
Albondigas.
Yeah, they're this sort of meatball soup. My great-grandmother is famous for them. Oh, Alex, you have to come with me one day. You'd love it there. There are no phones, no electricity, no people.
No kidding. You know, there's a spot in the middle of Central Park, the Bethesda Fountain, where if you sit there long enough, the entire city walks by.
And I know of this one canyon that if you sit there long enough, nobody finds you, and you die.
Really?
I could not believe it. The whole night he kept changing the subject to New York. It's New York.
What do you expect, Ika? His life is not your life.
I thought you were on my side.
He has a family to support.
Well, he can do that here. We can do it together.
Marriage is about finding a middle ground. You have to learn to pick your battles.
Well, I should have picked one this morning.
What did you do?
Nothing. I just had the guys drop by to take him shooting.
Alex is alone with your brothers?
And Chewy.
I better light another candle.